The open automation software, Azure IoT Connector, allows you to publish Industry 4.0 data to Azure IoT Data Hub and Azure Event Hubs. Data is transmitted using JSON payloads, triggered by events, data changes, or continuously at specified intervals. JSON data can be parsed or constructed in real time within the OAS server itself. When publishing data to Azure IoT Data Hub and Azure Event Hubs on network failure, when the store and forward feature is enabled, there is no data loss. All data is processed at the source and retained until successful delivery. The OAS store and forward feature retains data for an unlimited time, even after a system restart on both the data source and the destination. Setup and deployment are straightforward and can be fully automated with complete programmatic access via a .NET application or the OAS REST API. Additionally, OAS can utilize third-party worksheets using the CSV import feature. Data is processed on-premise with OAS running as an edge solution, maximizing accuracy and performance. The OAS platform is an edge-deployed solution for Linux, Windows, Docker, and so efficient that the complete platform can run on hardware as small as a Raspberry Pi. Visit openautomationsoftware.com to view our knowledge base for easy-to-follow steps to connect to Azure IoT Data Hub and Azure Event Hubs. Download OAS to start your free trial today.